If you are still new to rowing but want to start working to improve your rowing performance, stroke rate and power output are two important variables to monitor during your workouts. Stroke rate is the number of times per minute you perform a full rowing stroke. Potentially, the faster you can perform your rowing strokes, the faster you will be able to row. Unfortunately, there can be some issues with trying to increase your rowing stroke rate. As your stroke rate goes up, the more challenging it will be to maintain your rowing technique. The faster that your body moves, the more difficult it is to hold a good rowing body position. Pause this workout video to complete your 5-minute warm-up. Up next will be a 5-minute rowing segment focusing on a stroke rate of 20 strokes per minute. Faster stroke rates also require more energy. This means that you will experience more fatigue. Because of this, there is not a direct correlation between stroke rate and faster rowing. You will only be able to reach your maximum speed when your best technique is performed at the highest stroke rate. Pause this workout video to complete your 5-minute rowing segment focusing on 20 strokes per minute. Up next will be a 5-minute rowing segment focusing on a stroke rate above 30 strokes per minute. Ideal stroke rates will vary depending on individual goals. Lower stroke rates, 15 to 20 strokes per minute, are great for working on technique and rhythm. Stroke rates in the 20s are great for longer workouts where speed and stroke rate remain consistent. Higher stroke rates, 30 plus strokes per minute, are great for developing speed for distances 2,000 meters or below. If maintaining 30 plus strokes per minute is too difficult, use the remainder of this 5-minute segment to focus on good rowing form while increasing your stroke rate to a more comfortable rate, above 20 strokes per minute. Remember, it is always better to decrease your stroke rate so you can maximize your rowing technique and power output. To extend your rowing pace workout, complete additional rounds of the 5-minute 20 stroke per minute and 5-minute 30 plus strokes per minute rowing segments.